Welcome back, Future Lions. It's Mr. Maitland again. We are here on the bus ramp. Your buses will enter that direction, come around, and along this yellow, where the yellow curve is painted here, and the covering is your buses will drop you off. When you're dropped off, the majority of you will enter campus through these doors right here. Normally I'm actually out here in the morning to greet you guys. And once the buses drop you off, you enter into campus, walk right up this breezeway, and it'll take you to an area that we're going to cover next, just to kind of give you somewhat of an idea of where we are right now on the campus. Like I said, we're at the bus ramp. This building to my right is building 12. That's where most of your science classes will be held. And the building to the left is building 13. Now, building 13 has 2 floors. The first floor is the majority of your foreign language classes, Spanish and French and sign language. And the second floor is a lot of our computer labs and our PE classrooms. We'll see you down there.